Hey, welcome to Love Let's Save. In today's video, I've put together 10 couponing deals that will really help you to stretch your budget even farther because they're all deals with a $10 or less out of pocket or really close to it. And they are all deals for this Saturday, April 8th at Dollar General. If you enjoy the deals, please do me a huge favor, hit the thumbs up like button and leave me a comment down below and let me know which is your favorite deal. It helps me to better plan out future couponing deal videos for you. Also, I wanted to mention my Patreon page. For a small monthly fee every month to help support my work, you gain access to things like my complete couponing deals list. On average, I write at least 100 couponing deal videos or deals every week, and I don't have time every week to post them all to my YouTube channel. So over on my Patreon page, I upload my complete couponing deals list as a downloadable PDF file that you can either download to your phone or print them off. It makes going to the store super, super easy. So if you're interested, I have all the information you need down below in the video description. So let's get started. For our first deal, grab one Febreze plug-in and 4 bottles of Mr. Clean Clean Freak spray. Now you can also substitute the Clean Freak sprays for the 6-count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, but just to make it a little bit easier for me, I chose the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and I also absolutely love this cleaner. After all coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, our total out of pocket comes all the way down to just $9.20 plus tax, which makes for a 64% off savings. For our second deal, grab one box of Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, one 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes, 2 boxes of the 2-count Colgate toothpaste, one Airwick plug-in, and one Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $8.20 plus tax, which makes for a 69% off savings. And by the way, I am just now realizing that I'm starting to lose my voice because I have sat down over the last couple hours and recorded all 10 deal videos all at the same time. So apparently I'm putting a little bit of a strain on my voice, so I apologize. For our third deal, grab one Febreze plug-in, one Swiffer Duster Starter Kit. I was so excited to see that coupon came back this week. Grab 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak spray and 2 bottles of Palmolive dish soap. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $7.95 plus tax, which makes for a 69% off savings. One awesome opportunity to stock up on all of our major cleaning supplies and score a great deal on it. Moving on to deal number 4, grab one Airwick plug-in, 1 bag of Tide Simply Pods, 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, 1 box of the Swiffer Duster starter kits, and then 1 12-count pack of Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.20 plus tax. I know it's slightly over $10, but it was such a great deal, I decided to keep it in. I wanted you guys to have an opportunity to take advantage of this deal, even though it's 20 cents over, which also makes for a 61% off savings. For deal number 5, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste, 1 box of Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, and 2 bottles of that Mr. Clean Clean Freak spray. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.10 plus tax, which makes for a 65% off savings. Moving on to deal number 6, grab 1 Febreze plug-in, 1 Febreze small spaces, 1 pack of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, 1 bag of Tide Simply Pods, and 1 2-count pack of the Oral-B toothbrushes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $7.25 plus tax. That is unreal. I love these low out-of-pocket deals, which makes for a total savings of 71% off. Deal number 7 is a really good one to stock up on items for the bathroom, personal care products. And again, I know this one slightly goes over the $10 limit, but it's only 5 cents. It's such a great deal. So for this deal, grab 1 Febreze Small Spaces, 1 bottle of Dove body wash, 2 bottles of the Tresemme shampoo, and 1 box of Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.05, which makes for a 60% off savings. I will definitely be taking advantage of deal number 8 because preschool cooties keep reoccurring in my household. And this Zarbee's chest rub is a great product. I really love using it on my son. If you've never tried it, I recommend at least getting a box of it and trying it out. So for this deal, grab 1 box of Crest toothpaste, 2 boxes of the Zarbee's chest rub, 1 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes, 1 Febreze small spaces, and 1 Eric plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $7.90 plus tax, which makes for a total savings of 55% off. Okay, quick edit. I realize I forgot to update that slide. It is a 71% savings and not 55. I totally apologize. I didn't realize that until I was doing the voiceover. So this is a really, really good deal. One of my favorite kinds of deals to include with the $10 and under deals is working in a pack of diapers because it's a really great way to start a diaper stockpile. So for our 9th deal, grab 1 bottle of Dove body wash, 1 pack of Huggies diapers, 1 Febreze plug-in, 1 Febreze small spaces, and 1 Eric plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.40 plus tax, which makes for a 64% off savings. With deal number 10, we're going to stock up on some really great cleaning supplies. Grab 1 bag of Tide Simply Pods, 2 Mr. Clean Freak sprays, 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent, and 1 Swiffer Duster starter kit. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10 even plus tax, which makes for a 62% off savings. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button and leave me a comment down below and let me know which was your favorite deal. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you join our Love Love Save couponing community and hit the subscribe button. And while you're at it, click on the notification bell as well. That way, whenever I post any couponing deal videos, of which this week I got a bunch of them to share with you, or when I do one of my live couponing After Dark live chats, you'll receive a notification and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.